Hi. So from the video I posted yesterday, the blizzard is here. I know it doesn't look like a blizzard, but let me tell you, it was running last night. So, even though I do like snow, it is actually deep. So, yeah, I think my car is actually freezing right now. But one thing that is crazy, is that this pole is not even frozen. And yes, I am in Topeka. It's like that one Topeka video. So yeah. I do not know what else to say. So, thanks for watching. And all I have to say is bye.